and enjoying themselves. Here's my angel Amy, my baby, and they will be having a flyby here in a little while. Let me get out the window a little bit if I can. Yeah, there we go. You can tell we're at the airport here. And there will be a flyby and an announcement, so I'll record when that starts happening.
This will be a QB Memorial Flyby, which is a pilot's organization that Dick belonged to for many, many years. And in recent years, myself and a friend of mine, Wiley Grant, have become members. And so we're here representing the QB for this Memorial Flyby. And Wiley will be making a little flyby program. And what it will be, the first pass will be to honor our fallen member, Dick Whitney. It will be a flyby. Then there will be another one coming by here to honor Dick for his distinguished flying career. Then the third pass, he'll fly out straight west, out of sight, which will represent a salute to one of our own that has gone west. And that, in our organization, monthly organization, after anything but a quiet social hour, the first order of business is a salute to those gone west, which Dick will be honored at our next meeting. So he's due to be by here. I have a minute after 2. He's an airline pilot. He should be very punctual. He said he'd be there between 2 and 2:05. So if my watch is right, most any time. So when we see it coming, why, that's what it'll be. Thank you.
Is it coming from that direction? Oh. That's not the one. This is everyone who's gathered to watch the flyby, which will happen any minute.
Dick used to fly
Here we go.
That's what Dick used to fly many years ago.
Sweetheart. Waiting for Dad's last pass. Now he's going west.